Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today we're diving into a fascinating topic that's been buzzing in the financial community, the status of Bitcoin ETF approvals. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the world of cryptocurrencies, this video will provide you with the latest insights on Bitcoin ETFs and what they mean for the future of digital assets. So, let's get started. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a Bitcoin ETF, and why is everyone so eager for its approval? Well, let's break it down. A Bitcoin ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is a type of investment fund that tracks the price of Bitcoin. Instead of buying Bitcoin directly, investors can buy shares in the ETF, making it easier and more accessible for those who may not want to handle the complexities of cryptocurrency exchanges. Now, why is this significant? Well, a Bitcoin ETF could potentially revolutionize the way individuals and institutions invest in Bitcoin. It would provide a more regulated and secure way to gain exposure to the world's largest cryptocurrency, leading to greater adoption and possibly stabilizing the market. Historically, the quest for a Bitcoin ETF began back in 2013 when the first application was submitted to the US Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. However, it wasn't until 2020 that serious discussions began to heat up. In 2021, we saw a flurry of activity as several companies submitted applications for Bitcoin ETFs. Notably, firms like VanEck, WisdomTree, and Invesco were in the mix, but they faced significant hurdles. The SEC expressed concerns about market manipulation, liquidity, and the overall maturity of the cryptocurrency market. Fast forward to October 2021, and we witnessed a historic moment when the first Bitcoin futures ETF was approved by the SEC. The ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF began trading on October 19, 2021, and it was a major milestone, as it allowed investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin through regulated futures contracts. This approval sent shockwaves through the market, leading to a surge in Bitcoin's price, which topped $60,000 shortly after. However, many investors are still eagerly awaiting the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF, which would directly track the price of Bitcoin itself rather than Bitcoin futures. This distinction is crucial for many investors who prefer owning assets that are linked directly to the underlying commodity. As of late 2023, the SEC has received numerous applications for spot Bitcoin ETFs from well-known companies, including BlackRock and Fidelity. The market has been abuzz with speculation about when, or if, these will be approved. The SEC has been tight-lipped, but there are hints that it may be warming up to the idea, especially as the cryptocurrency market matures and regulatory frameworks develop. In fact, the SEC has recently been engaging in discussions with various stakeholders and may be looking to establish clearer guidelines for cryptocurrencies and digital assets. This is a positive sign for potential ETF approvals. Let's take a closer look at the potential impacts of a spot Bitcoin ETF. If approved, it could lead to an influx of institutional investment, as these entities often prefer regulated investment vehicles. More institutional money could mean greater price stability and lower volatility, which would be a win for retail investors as well. Moreover, a spot Bitcoin ETF could enhance public trust in cryptocurrencies. With more traditional financial instruments available, individuals who were previously hesitant to invest in crypto may feel more comfortable, leading to broader adoption. However, there are still challenges to overcome. Critics argue that the Bitcoin market is still prone to manipulation and that investor protection must be prioritized. The SEC has a responsibility to ensure that investors are safeguarded, which is why they are taking their time with approvals. Interestingly, other countries are moving ahead with their own Bitcoin ETFs. For instance, Canada has successfully launched several Bitcoin ETFs, which have been well received by investors. This raises the question, will the US follow suit, or will it remain cautious? As we move into 2024, the landscape for Bitcoin ETFs is evolving. With each passing month, we see more developments, discussions, and a growing interest from both retail and institutional investors. The momentum is undeniable, and many analysts believe that we are on the verge of a breakthrough. To wrap it up, the status of Bitcoin ETF approvals is a dynamic and evolving topic. While we've seen significant progress with futures ETFs, the anticipated approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs could be a game changer for the cryptocurrency market. As always, it's essential to stay informed and understand the risks associated with investing in digital assets. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on cryptocurrencies, investing, and financial education. What are your thoughts on Bitcoin ETFs? Do you think we'll see a spot ETF approved soon? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing!